Down 46 East, and there's a bike store. I stop in. I go, hey, let's see if they got anything cool. And I find this Biria. Am I saying it right?
Yes, you are.
Electric folding bike. $1,400. It's yours. It's amazing. I was just showing a quick demonstration. It's got a 500-watt rear hub brushless motor. It goes 20 miles an hour, and you could go 25 miles on one charge. All right, I'm here with the bike store owner. He's going to show us how this thing works.
My name is Mel, owner of the original bike shop.
Thanks, Mel.
And let me show you how this little baby folds up. It's pretty simple. First of all, the handlebars come down and around. Your pedals, just by squeezing, fold up on both sides.
Genius.
And just by opening this and swinging it around, there's your folding setup.
Look at that.
And it's about 50 pounds. It's a little bit awkward picking it up, but there's really not a whole bunch of, weight. 50 pounds is not a big deal. To unfold it.
Oh, wait, hold on. That's the battery right here?
The battery's in there. Let me show you the battery, in fact.
Now, can you have
Hold on
two
one
batteries and swap the batteries?
Yes, you can.
Oh,
you can have two batteries,
look.
you can have two chargers. I mean, all the parts are available. It's local in this area.
Look how comfy that seat
Let me give you the
looks.
key to show you the battery.
$1,400. That's a nice toy. Yeah, electric though.
This battery is a key lock, so nobody can steal the battery. You must insert the key, turn it, and once the key is out, you got a little lever, and you would pull it. And this is a Samsung lithium polymer battery. There is an on-off switch here. You can charge it off the bike or on the bike. And there's also a USB port if you want to charge your cell phone while you're riding.
Stop. Come on.
4 to 6 hours of riding time. And all you're doing is sliding this back in. Put your key back in. And lock this baby up so nobody can steal it. And now to reassemble it,
Okay.
we're just swinging it around. One lock here with a safety. Bring this up. One lock here.
And the pedals.
Swing out your pedals. And if,
Damn, that was 10 seconds. Come on.
and if you worry about a big guy going to ride this baby,
Whoa,
I don't think we have to
whoa.
worry.
You could be Wilt Chamberlain and drive it.
And if you want to
And
adjust the front end, open the lever all the way down, all the way up. Locks in place.
Amazing.
This is a 7-speed bike. You don't have to use the electric if you don't want to. And there are 3 different levels of power assist. Or you have an override. You don't want to pedal, just hit the throttle and off you go.
Zoom, and you're
ready to
gone.
go. All aluminum, 20 by 4-inch tires. You can probably ride this in the sand and in dirt.
Amazing, right? All right, this is why you come to my YouTube channel. I try to bring you interesting stuff. He's had this bike for 2 weeks, and he's already sold how many?
4 pieces.
4 pieces. Come on. That is incredible. We'll start seeing these all over the place. Everybody wants
Yeah.
one of these.
This is such a great bike. It really is.